In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view saved passwords in DuckDuckGo Browser. If you need to retrieve a login that you previously saved, DuckDuckGo provides a secure way to view stored passwords directly inside the browser. By the end of this guide, you'll understand exactly where your saved credentials are stored and how to access them safely when needed. This process is designed with privacy in mind, so it includes security checks to help protect your personal information. To begin, open the DuckDuckGo browser on your device. This can be on a phone, tablet, or computer, as the general layout remains quite similar across platforms. Once the browser is open, make sure you are actually inside the DuckDuckGo application and not simply viewing a DuckDuckGo search page through another browser. You should recognize the interface by its privacy-focused design and familiar security icons. Next, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the browser window. There, you will find the menu icon, often displayed as 3 horizontal lines, commonly referred to as the hamburger menu. Click or tap on this icon to open the main menu, where DuckDuckGo keeps its settings and privacy tools in an organized location. From the menu options, look for the section labeled Password and Autofill. Select it to continue. This area is responsible for managing any saved login information as well as stored form details that the browser may use to speed up sign-ins and website usage. If you do not see any entries yet, it simply means that no passwords have been saved in this browser or that the feature has not been used before. Inside the Password and Autofill section, you will see a list of websites and accounts that have been saved. Find the specific entry you want to access and select it. This will open a detailed view showing the username along with a password that is normally hidden for security reasons. To reveal the password, look for the eye icon next to the hidden field and tap it. For safety, your device may require verification before showing the password. This could include entering a passcode or using biometric authentication, such as a fingerprint or face recognition. Once verified, the password will become visible on the screen. After viewing the information you need, you can hide it again by tapping the same eye icon. If necessary, you may also copy the password for use elsewhere, but always ensure you paste it in a secure and trusted location. It is also a good practice to clear your clipboard afterward to maintain privacy. Before finishing, keep a few important safety tips in mind. Only view saved passwords in private and secure environments, and avoid exposing sensitive information on shared or public devices. If a login does not appear, double-check whether it was saved in DuckDuckGo or another browser or password manager. And that is all there is to it. Simply open DuckDuckGo, access the menu, go to Password and Autofill, and view the login you need with proper security verification. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.